Hey guys, so this is an unboxing of my Nespresso. Hey. So I'm pretty excited. I ordered this maybe a month ago. I know, I'm just unboxing it. But I wanted to take some time out to film this video. Anyway, this is the Nespresso CitiZ&Milk machine. I'll get right to it. First thing first is that it does come with the coffee samples. Discover Nespresso, I guess a pamphlet of like Nespresso and their products and what it's all about. And then it comes with recycle bags. I requested for two. You know. So eco-friendly. Anywho, back to the unboxing. One thing I hate is styrofoam. It drives me insane. I hate the noise. Here's the manual, which, first of all, I really don't read the manuals like that, just like to do my own thing. Probably bad, you know, because it may save me a lot of time, but I don't know. This is the frother. Here's actually, these are the samples. So those are the actual samples, but these are the ones that come with it. Which, thank you, because I did not purchase any ahead of time. This is great. I think this is actually something they do mention when you're purchasing it, that it does come with those by default. So, I like that. And honestly, it took me a while to figure out which one I wanted. I went to so many different, like, different models. Like, I wasn't sure at first I was going to go to Keurig because I was using the Keurig before, but then I was like, I want to go to Nespresso. Then there was like so many different types, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, Lord help me. But I just kept going to different videos, YouTube videos, and finally I was like, you know what, I like this. I like the look of it, the aesthetic. It's like classic, timeless. I love it, right? So I won't say it. I mean, I have no choice now, right? This box back over here. Use this. Alright. Styrofoam, guys. Ugh. So, turn around. My junky kitchen area, but yeah, look at the thing. I will film up a video of me actually using it, but I just wanted to do an unboxing video with all my junk over there. Anyways, I'm super excited, and I got to figure out where I'm going to place it at, because I do have a cart over there that I was thinking about putting it on. However, because it's such a beauty, I want to have it up on the counter space, and I just got to figure out where I'm going to put everything. So, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.